Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So in my previous vlog I have shown you like we are staying in Hotel Hilton, which is in Ville Parle near airport. So I have already shown you the room tour and all. So today I'm going to show you little bit of my washroom tour, and also one restaurant, one lounge was left for the tour. So I'm going to show you that. So this is my outfit for the day, all dressed up in black attire, and this is my washroom, really nice and aesthetic. I love the mirrors around all the four sides. So today we are heading to the temple, a very famous temple in Mumbai, Siddhivinayak. So we are heading there. So this is the lobby area of our hotel, a beautiful lobby, and on the left hand side this is the restaurant. The restaurant area where the buffets also happen, the breakfast buffet, lunch and dinner buffet, and it's also an Italian restaurant, a nice and cozy place. So next to their restaurant is their famous bakery, a beautiful and cozy bakery. They have these beautiful cakes on display. Cakes and other bakery items are there. It's a very beautiful and cozy bakery just right next to their restaurant area. And there is this comfortable sitting here. So we took a cab and we are heading to Siddhivinayak temple, and on our way I'll show you this beautiful sea link view. The view is breathtaking, both the sides there is an ocean, and we are going through this sea link area. The bridge is really massive and beautiful, and the drive is so amazing here. So guys, this is one of the poshest locality in Mumbai. Marine Drive. So on the right hand side there is a beach, on the left hand side you will find these beautiful properties, the beautiful buildings, housing buildings and restaurants, and this is one of the posh localities in Mumbai, and the drive is really amazing. So on the right hand side you can see Haji Ali Dargah. It is built on the sea area, and on the left hand side you can see this beautiful buildings, and where I'm focusing, this is the Ambani's mansion and Delia Tower. This is Raymond building, which belongs to Raymond. So the drive was really amazing. We got to see so many nice buildings of well-known people, tycoons and famous celebrities. So we are going to enter this coastal tunnel. So this underwater tunnel is about 9.7 kilometers underwater, starting from Ghatkopar to Parel via Wadala. and it's known as the Mumbai's undersea coastal tunnel. So it was so nice and beautiful, the tunnel. It looks like we have come in Dubai. It gives you the feel of Dubai Marina area where the Atlantis Hotel is there. It was very nice and beautiful. It's made under the ocean, underwater tunnel. So it's very nice undersea tunnel, and because of that you can also avoid the Mumbai traffic. So now we are going to reach our hotel. So first we have checked in hotel which is on the Marine Drive, and the name of our hotel is Intercontinental. And guys, can you see interior tower on the left hand side where I'm focusing? It's a massive building where the Ambanis live. So we have reached the Marine Drive road, where on the right hand side you can see the Marine Drive, the beach, and on the left hand side you see these hotels, big buildings, the properties, the residences. This is one of the posh localities in Mumbai. And finally we have reached our hotel, Intercontinental, one of the best properties in Mumbai. And they also have a very nice open terrace restaurant known as Dome. So I'll show you the whole hotel. This is their lobby area, this is their front desk. There's a massive lobby area here, and the interiors, the paintings, everything, the small detailing of the flowers. These beautiful roses are there on each and every corners. The flower settings are there, flower vases, and the property looks really nice and amazing. This area is very nice. So we have kept our luggage. So we took a walk near our hotel after keeping our luggage there, because we have to go to Siddhivinayak. So first we thought we had to change our hotel. So first we thought we'll drop our luggage here, and after that and then we'll head Taj Palace Hotel for their hiking. Beautiful temple. You can check out my previous vlog for Siddhivinayak temple visit, and also this is Taj Palace, the Taj Palace visit. Once we came out from the hotel, Taj Palace, right opposite to the road, next to the beach, there was this double-decker bus which was going for a tour of the whole Marine Drive. So we sat there because my son Ayan really wanted to try this double-decker bus, and it was an amazing drive in this bus. They were showing around the whole Mumbai city, in the night, the nightlife of Marine Drive of Mumbai, the light and everything was so amazing. So finally we are back in our hotel, Intercontinental. So now I'm gonna show you our room. So we came out from this elevator, and there was this passage, and on the right, on the left hand side is our room. So this is our room. There is a very big mirror on the left hand side, which is much needed for me to get ready and also to take videos and pictures. This is our room, a massive bed. This is the closet area and the washroom, the TV, and basic amenities, tea, water. There's a coffee maker, hot water jug, and small refrigerator is there. And this is a small mini bar over here. This is a small study table here. And now I'm going to show you the best part of this room, which is the view. So in the night it's not very visible, so there is the whole Marine Drive which we can see from our room. In the morning I'll show you, the whole beach is visible, and this is the washroom which looks really nice. It's made all white with white marble, looks very aesthetic. And there are mirrors everywhere in the washroom. This is the bathtub. And over here, right next to the bathtub, is the shower area. So the washroom is quite big and comfortable. Hello guys, so this is day 2 in Hotel Intercontinental. We just woke up and we are going to have breakfast in their restaurant. They have buffet breakfast, so we are getting ready for breakfast now. So they have these window blinds in the washroom which you can cover while you use the washroom. And look at the view now. In the night it wasn't so visible, and in the morning it's so nice. You can see the whole ocean from your room, and down there you can see this sitting over here. That's their restaurant sitting, outside sitting. So while having breakfast buffet also you can sit outside, but right now it's raining, so they have closed the outside sitting area. So this is their restaurant area for breakfast buffet. The restaurant looks very nice and comfortable with the very comfortable sitting. They have couches here with very comfortable cushioning and all. So we had our breakfast, a lavish breakfast. They have a variety of food items, which was very nice. Now we have come in this restaurant which I told you, which is on the terrace, and they have a swimming pool also there. So the name of this restaurant is Dome, which is located on the top of the Hotel Intercontinental, and the view is really amazing. Trust me, I can't show you in the video, but when you go there then you'll know. Especially at the time of sunset, the view is breathtaking. So you can see the whole beach and the Marine Drive area from here. It looks really nice. Let's go. So this is a very popular lounge and restaurant in Hotel Intercontinental. So now we went outside Hotel Intercontinental to take a walk at Marine Drive. We wanted to sit there for a while. So we saw this beautiful restaurant by the beach. They serve pizzas and all. Basically Italian restaurant is there. And it looks like they have built this restaurant in like 80s or 90s. It was really nice with the beach view, and it's also open for breakfast. So people were having breakfast at this time, and it was completely packed. So we crossed the road and we came towards this Marine Drive, and people was just sitting here. And in the night I was watching this area from my room's window, and it was completely packed. People were just sitting here till I think 3 o'clock in the midnight, like 3 o'clock in the night, until the police came and they sent everyone away. So we sat here for a while. The beach is really nice and clean. The roads are really clean and nice. So this was our view from the beach. So that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog, and please check out my previous vlog of Mumbai for Mumbai Darshan, and also the best of the locations in Mumbai. And stay tuned and do like and subscribe my vlog to stay up to date to my videos. Thank you. Hope you like.